I'm Evan Leonard with Artisan Electric, here with Peter Braun from Taco Bell, and we are about to energize a 10 kilowatt system on a brand new Taco Bell in Poulsbo, Washington.
Flip the switch?
Flip the switch.
Boom.
Woo! We are energized.
Hi, I'm Peter Braun. I'm the president of Orchard Foods, and we're a franchisee of Taco Bell amongst other brands. And we've built the first franchisee solar bell in the United States.
So the solar for this Taco Bell is covering the outside eating area, the outside patio, and it was chosen because that roof is south facing. It has completely open exposure there. Plus it's visible for the employees and for the customers as a sign of the commitment that this building is making towards offsetting their energy with renewables.
So we first started getting interested in green building in about 2010 when we were building a store up in Sequim. The elements that we did in Sequim within about 2 years were standard for Taco Bell. What's cool is when you're a small cog in a big wheel and you implement a small change to that big wheel, it's a huge change. So we'd kind of developed a reputation for green.
This wasn't driven by any state mandate,
nope.
no energy code mandate. It was just, let's just try it.
Yep. You know, for me, it has to make economic sense too, right? I'm a small business.
Yeah. It's got to be green.
I make a mistake,
and save
I'm gone.
you green.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So it was really driven out of our desire to just see what could be done, and then realizing that it worked. You know, they call me the tree-hugging Taco Bell guy because, I mean, I'm a fast food guy who likes the environment, go figure.
Yeah,
right? And people just, they don't know what to do with that.
Being able to reach out and make a difference for small business owners is a passion of mine.
That's cool.
And it's a sector of the economy that just doesn't have a whole lot of solar representation.
Yeah.
And I really do think that even subliminally, seeing this makes you almost like automatically turn into that driveway versus that driveway.
Oh yeah, we're way cool.
Surrounding the building there's solar for each light pole that is powering each light pole separately so that it does not have to be grid tied. And for the building itself, there are 27 LG NeON2 365 watt panels being fed into the building, running about 50%, potentially more of their energy usage. All of that power comes in here. We've got 3 separate circuits coming in from the roof, tying into this combiner panel. From the combiner panel, we are going to a disconnect, and then from there into the building. And then the monitoring system is in a separate enclosure here. And this is getting the information to the internet so that we can see it as the contractor, and in the future it'll be displayed inside the restaurant. Do you think this is also a good opportunity for this franchise to attract customers?
Yes. I think even more than customers, employees. So we think it's a recruiting tool. We really do. We've built the company around recognizing that the people who work for us kind of drive things. So how they speak of you matters. And so one of the things we learned was that young people, I think they care a lot more about their community and are more aware. So, you know, we started to realize that the kids working for us had different values and priorities. And my own kids have helped me with that. I mean, they're very clear about what matters to them. You know, what I hear from my youngest daughter who's at UW is, you destroyed the world and we have to clean it up. I'm like, well, I'm starting, I'm trying.
Yeah.
So, and the thing about solar is it's so visible. Like a lot of what we've done is invisible. And we talk about it, but people don't see it.
Right.
This is visible.